saw. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video. I know it looked busted, I was tired, but this is the wig. It was $19.99 at a beauty supply store. It came in 613. That's the best way to dye it, in my opinion, is to start with a 613 wig. But this is the name of the wig if you plan on getting this wig. Now for the dye, I use a Ritz dye. I got it from Michael's, which was $4.79, but you can definitely get it somewhere else for cheaper. They just didn't have it anywhere else for cheaper when I was looking for this, but yeah. I'm gonna need a pair of gloves because your hands will get stained, and a pair of tongs. Okay, to begin, as you can see, I'm already dipping hair in there because I went ahead and already poured one Ritz bottle in there. Got to tell y'all, I did buy 2 Ritz bottles. So for the first one, I poured the whole bottle in there. Didn't really like how it came out, so I ended up pouring the second bottle, but only half of the bottle. And then I went ahead and started mixing it in there and stirring it up. And this time it did come out how I wanted it to. I kind of didn't show y'all. I don't know why I didn't show y'all, but y'all see the color once I dip the whole wig in there. But I only used one bottle and a half, so to get the color that I wanted. I didn't want it a dark gray. I just wanted, like, you know, just kind of like a silver. So yeah. Okay, here I'm ready to put the whole wig in there. I'm slowly dipping it in there just so I can, you know, everything gets covered and I'm not just throwing the wig in the water like that. So I'm slowly dipping it in there. And I probably left this wig in there for probably 5 minutes, to be totally honest with you. But that all depends on what color you want your hair to be. If you want it to be a little darker, then you will obviously need to leave it in longer. But I really only left this hair in there for 5 minutes and let it sit in there for 5 minutes because it already turned the color that I wanted it to be. So how long you leave the hair in the pot is depending on the color that you want your hair to be. So yes. Also, I did not measure the water out either. I know that probably is a question for some because that was a question for me. But I didn't measure the water. I just filled up the pot with water. That's it. It wasn't a certain amount of water that I put in there. And while the wig was in the water, I did not turn down the heat either. I left the heat on, I think I left it on high. And that's probably why the color was able to change that fast also. So yes, to answer any curious questions that y'all might have, because I know I did when I was watching these videos. Next, I took the wig and I was rinsing it underneath cold water, and I rinsed it until I didn't see any more color dripping from the wig. And this is all I'm doing right now. So as you can see, the wig cap got colored as well as the lace, and it kind of turned a little purple. I really didn't care because I had bangs showing, and this wig was only for costume purposes, so it really didn't matter to me. Now, to prevent that, I honestly don't know what to tell you. To be totally honest. Now here I am using Downy, and I know a lot of people didn't use Downy in their tutorials, but Downy is a must. Downy is like conditioner to synthetic hair, so this will make the hair soft. It will, bro, you'll see what it will do, but it is a definite must. I would highly recommend it. I would not do this without Downy because it detangles the hair, it makes the hair soft. It's like it basically revives the hair, like it gives it life. again. And so yeah. So here's the wig when it's wet. I just left it overnight and this is what it looked like in the morning. I did not curl this wig, I think because when it was compressed in the pot and it was in hot water, it kind of formed its own curls. But I did not curl this wig, but it is soft and I was so shook in the morning when I seen this. So this is how the wig came out. It really came out like cute. And like I am really real life shook because I don't wear synthetic wigs, but this was for a costume. This is why I'm dressed like this. So I'm like just shook because sis, the hair is soft. Like you can run your hands through it and it doesn't, okay, you can kind of run your hands through it and it doesn't get to tangle. Like, you know, this wig, like, is actually soft. That downy fabric softener is literally conditioner for synthetic hair. Like, for real. Like, that right there is a game changer. That game changer off top. So if you are, honestly, if this wig wasn't too small, because it really kind of is small on my head, it fits, but I wouldn't trust it to go outside with it on, really. Like I said, this is only for costume purposes. And so, yeah. But, like, other than that, like, I would probably wear this. The color is cute. The color came out very good. Very good. Like, I'm just in all shocked because I didn't think synthetic hair could get this cute. Okay, don't worry about why I got one earring though. Okay, the one that it just broke. Okay, and I only need one. Just like I said, costume purposes. But this is actually cute. So if you are trying to achieve this, or you're a person that, like, you ain't trying to spend money on no bundles, but you still want to be cute, and you want to color, but you want to color a wig, you want to spice it up or whatever, you definitely can do this. You just need to make sure that the wig can fit your head. One, make sure it's synthetic. Make sure if you are dyeing it that you are using a synthetic dye. A synthetic dye, not a real dye, because it would not take. And some people wasn't using the downy when I was watching tutorials. Some, after they got done rinsing, after they finished rinsing the color out of the hair. But definitely do use the downy, because it will definitely do something. Like, and I didn't curl this hair. I did not curl this hair. It when it went in the water and I took it out, I guess, like, because it was all like just compressed together, like it was all just sitting there folded all up, I guess, in the water, in the hot water, and it just kind of formed its own curls. But y'all already know with synthetic hair, you might have to, you can flat iron, and you can flat iron some synthetic hair, and but you just have to do it on a low heat. So that's all I did. So I mean, if I wanted to flat iron it, I could, but just put it on low heat. So this really wasn't bad. This was actually a dub in my book. It was actually a dub. This is really a cute wig. Yes, this is cute. I'm like real shook. This is really cute. And then I'm really pulling off this color. Yes, this is cute. I really like it. Like for real. I did not think, I was like, oh shit. I didn't wasted my money buying this wig, buying this dye. This wig about to come out horrible because it's synthetic. Synthetic hair don't know how to act right, but it actually surprised the hell out of me. But I'm gonna stop talking about it because I could rant all day because that's just how shocked I am. But y'all be blessed, y'all be popping, and don't what? Let nobody tell you different. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in my next video.